Hey, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today we're going to be covering Maya's collapse tool. This year I aim to learn some new Maya tools. It's been a long time since I looked through the documentation, and I hope to find some extra tricks along the way I can use day to day. So this tool basically collapses and then merges verts based on your selection. This selection can either be faces or edges, but note that the behavior of the tool will be more predictable when working with edge selection types. For faces, maybe opt for the Merge to Center tool instead. For faces, maybe opt for the Merge to Center tool instead. I will have a tutorial on this tool shortly, and it will become a part of this playlist. Let's go ahead and make a selection. So you don't want to make a selection like this, because it's not going to collapse the edges either side. I'm going to get this kind of weird result. If we go to Edit Mesh, Collapse, see, not quite what we wanted. What we actually want to do is make a selection like so. Now if we go to Edit Mesh, Collapse, we can see that we get the result that we want. So we can collapse and kind of reduce the topology on this plane pretty quickly. There's really not much to this tool, and I think from this example you should be able to get an idea of what you need to do. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Gumroad for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.